Good evening, Assalamu alaikum. As I have promised in the last video that we will come back with the YY analysis. So is it YY analysis? This was first recognized by Mr. Ono Taichi, who is a Japanese industrial engineer. He find out that people most of the time discussing or finding out the solution for the symptoms. So he introduced YY analysis, which is an analytical method that is designed to identify all factors contributing to a problem one by one in an orderly fashion, rather than a hit and miss attempt to work out the factors, and finally we will have the root cause for the failures. So he is saying that don't find out the solution on the symptoms, and never make a hit and trial method. So better to find out the root cause. So what YY analysis is one of the method to find out the root cause of a given problem. Like here you are seeing this is a tree and the branches of the tree are the symptoms, but the root is here. If we cut the branches, this tree will come again. That means the problem is not finished. So if we want to finish a problem, we should find out the root cause and find their solution of the root cause. So the purpose of the YY analysis to get the right people in the room discussing all the possible root causes of a given failure. Many times teams will stop once a reason for a defect has been identified. These conclusions often don't get to the root cause. A disciplined YY approach will push teams to think outside the box and reach a root cause where the team can actually make a positive difference instead of treating symptoms. So what he is saying, that instead of treating the symptoms, we should find out the root cause and then its solution. But how to find this root cause? So there is what he is saying, the first we make a brainstorming team or cross-functional team. If a given problem is related to one department, we should not stop there only. We should try to go through the way, and whoever involved, whoever the department or the company involved, we should invite all of them that we have a problem or a recurring issue and we have to find out the root cause and afterward the solution. So like this is one of the fishbone. So here there may be many regions that we can put, and then for each region also may have many regions. And then for each region we find out, we will go for the YY analysis. Usually YY 5 times is enough, but it is not permanent. Because when Ono Taichi has introduced this, he said it 5 Y analysis. But the time has changed and we experienced that many times we get the solution in 3rd Y or 4th Y, or many times we go to the 7 or 8 Ys. So it is now not 5Y, it is YY. So we may ask how many times until we are getting the root cause. Now, for an example, we say that everyone who is in the GCC country or the Dubai or Sharjah or UAE or in Oman, they must face this issue that they have caught up for the red signal crossing and the fine is very high. So just a general example that how the red signal crossed. So policeman asking him, then he is saying, I was rushing up to the duty. But why rushing up to the duty? Because late for work. Why you late for work? Because got up late. Why you have got up late? Because alarm didn't ring. Why alarm didn't ring? Because mobile battery, where he is setting the alarm, their battery dead. So why this battery is dead? forgotten to plug in with recharge at last night. So we find out the reason that he missed to switch on the plug or when he insert to the charger in his mobile. So these are the only root cause, and now we have to find out the solution for this root cause, and this will prevent us from so many steps, and finally the red signal will not be crossed. If you are getting up early, so you are well prepared, so you will not pay a fine. So this was a general example, but in the factory, that the purpose of this system. So we will see here in the next page how we are employing this into the factory. So in the factory, suppose we have a complaint, and the complaint is that last dispatch reached late. So we have done this analysis, and I will show in the previous the actual how what we have done it, and we can see in this photograph and then this pictorial view that the material not reached on time. So why not reached on time? Because it was late dispatched. Why late dispatched? Because material was not ready. Why material was not ready? Because packaging specification was reached late. Why it was reached late? Because PO has no specification. Now the question is, why the PO has no specification? Because the purchase people missed to send it. When we asked to that purchase people, why you missed it? So he said, I was not aware. Nobody informed me before. That's why this is missed. So we have given to him lesson that he when he joined the duty and when he started the job, nobody teach him properly. So there was problem in the induction system. Let's have a look on the video. Good morning. How are you?
Good morning, sir. Great. And you?
I am also fine.
We got a complaint
From where?
from our customer.
Okay. What is that complaint?
Material was not reached on time.
Really? Okay, let me inform to Javed sir and have conversation with them, then I will come back to you. Ji, Javed sir.
Yes, sir.
We have a complaint from the customer that yesterday's shipment not reached on time. So you know the reason?
Yeah, it is dispatched late.
Really? Why dispatched late?
Material was not ready with.
Material was not ready. Mr. Musa, you are here.
Yes.
Okay. So please let me know why material was not ready.
It's because material specification reached late.
Material specification reached late. Okay, so this is not our part. This is from the customer itself. Okay, so we should talk to customer and inform them that from the next time please send PO along with a specification that what he need.
Yes.
That's all. Thank you very much.
I have received an email from the customer that you have sent the PO but not sent the specification.
Sir, actually I don't know to attach with PO.
Okay, make sure that you send them both.
So you see in the video that there was problem in the induction program to the purchase clerk who is making PO. He was not aware that when we send a PO, we must attach a specification for the product we are looking for. So in that way, we have to eliminate this reason, and the root cause we find out was the induction program. So whenever the new employee join in a firm, he must be given training properly. That's all. Thank you very much. Bye bye.